What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing amazing. Today we're talking about one of my favorite books about the topic of creating wealth. Not just money, but building wealth. Because having money and having wealth are two completely different things. Having money in the bank does not mean that you are wealthy. Because a person's wealth is not measured by how much money they have, but their ability to create streams of income. Let's repeat that again. A person's wealth is not measured by how much money they have, but their ability to create streams of income. So if someone wins the lottery, for example, they are not actually wealthy. They just have a lot of money. Think about it. How many people win the lottery just to go back to being broke again? Being wealthy is about flow of income and not just money alone. It's about having money flow to your bank account consistently. Think about this. Let's say that you are walking down the street with $100 in your pocket and you reach down to your pocket and the money, it's not there anymore. You lost your money. I'm sure that's happened to at least a few of you guys. Or am I the only one? But think about it. Even though that's not the most pleasant thing, if you have an income right now, you will eventually recover the money you lost. Talking about creating streams of income, I am doing a private live stream with a good friend, mentor, and multi-millionaire entrepreneur, Jason Capital, where he's going to show you how he built a multi-million-dollar income stream using a simple app that you already know how to use. The link for that will be in the description of this video. And back to the content. Now imagine being able to do this. Imagine being able to spend money without worrying about running out. That's what it means to be wealthy, when you have passive streams of income that go beyond what you spend. See, the majority of people focus on living around a set income. Let's say that this person makes $5,000 a month. So his focus becomes on how can I live my life under these $5,000. The wealth mentality thinks about how can I keep increasing my income to where next month I make more than I did this month, and the following month I make even more. And always be constantly increasing your income. A great exercise to build your wealth mindset is to challenge yourself to make more money than you did last month, no matter by how much. So let's go over the 5 powerful rules of money and building wealth as we learn in one of my favorite wealth building books, The Richest Man in Babylon. Think about your income. What if I tell you that the money you make this month is not yours? You're probably going to say, whoa, Mr. Betterman Project, I worked really hard for that money. I earned it. But think about it. If you have a house, you're paying your mortgage or your rent or your bills, your car, your weekend getaways. And at the end of the month, we are left with little to no money. See, we basically work to pay somebody else but ourselves. One of the most important rules of money and start building wealth is something that so many people neglect. The rule is to pay yourself. And not only pay yourself, but pay yourself first. Before you spend money on anything else, the book recommends to pay yourself at least 10% of your income. And with today's technology, there's even ways to automate your savings so you don't forget. The great thing about this is that your brain is very adaptive and you can naturally adapt to live on 90% of your income. So secret number 1 of building wealth is to pay yourself first. What if I tell you I will send you $1 million cash? You'll be pretty excited, but I tell you, there's a catch. You got to save this money and never ever use it. All of a sudden, that money isn't really worth anything to you. Money that will never be used has no value. Saving money is great, but if it sits under your mattress forever, then all of a sudden, all of that money isn't really worth anything. The second rule of money is to make your money work for you. Get your money a job. This is to use your money to invest, whether you want to build a good stock portfolio or a real estate portfolio or any other investment that you'd like and know that can bring good returns. The purpose of your 10% is to use it to multiply. And if you want to learn more about investing, click on the purple picture at the end of this video. I made a more in-depth video about investing that you might find useful. So secret number 2, find your money a job. So you've been saving your money and you are pumped to start investing. So you start putting your money into the market, crypto, real estate, startups, and your cousin's mechanic shop. You're excited to make your money multiply. But soon you realize that you've made some really bad investments and you lost all of your money. Many people lose a lot of their money while investing because they ignore the third secret of getting rich. Money will slip away from those who invest in unfamiliar things. See, a lot of people can tell you to invest in cryptocurrency or real estate or the stock market. But the problem is that yes, you can make money with all of those if you know what you're doing. Putting your money into an unfamiliar investment is like gambling with your money because you have no knowledge on the investment. The first investment I recommend is to invest in educating yourself. Tony Robbins said that the best advice he's ever gotten was to invest and focus on developing himself more than anything else. That investment in yourself and your education will allow you to learn how to use your money in the most effective way. The best part of this is that we live in an era where we have access to the knowledge only the super wealthy used to have access to. Now it became much easier to interact with very wealthy people than we ever had before. So investing and developing your knowledge and expertise in the areas that you're interested in is the investment with the biggest ROI. Something that I see mostly rich people take advantage of is secret number 4. And that is to protect your money. Invest under the advice of wise and experienced mentors. See, many people think they already know everything, so they start buying properties and investing in stocks. But you know what they say? Experience is the best teacher. And even if you have knowledge, you might still make a few mistakes along the way since you don't have the experience. Something that we don't want to do is lose our money in bad investments. So instead of putting yourself in a vulnerable position to make mistakes, you can find a mentor that has much more experience and can help you avoid costly mistakes. Something that I find fascinating is that people want to be successful, they want to make money, but they're not willing to seek mentors who already know how to do it. That is why this year I plan to spend more money into mentorship than actual investments, so I can cut my learning curve and avoid mistakes that can cost me time and money. That is one of the reasons why I started this channel, to be able to bring you the best knowledge these mentors had taught me and give you an easier access so you can interact with my mentors. My mission is to be able to give every single member of the Betterment Society, that's you, an opportunity to learn from these people to build a life where you can do what you want, when you want, and how you want. Okay, let's get back to the content. I get excited about this stuff. So, secret number 4 is to find experienced mentors that can help you avoid costly mistakes. I am sure that you've noticed that today in the internet, there are a lot of fake experts, people who just read a book and try to sell you a program on how to do the thing that they haven't even done themselves. I see people selling investment products without being successful at investing, or dating products from people who are not even putting themselves out there attracting other people. Something that I really hate to see is people losing their money buying these products from people who just want to make a quick buck. Secret number 5, straight from The Richest Man in Babylon, is if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. So make sure to do your research. Make sure the people you are learning from and investing with are actually doing what you want to do. And that is why I decided to bring my mentors to you. I will be hosting a very exclusive live stream with one of my mentors, multi-millionaire entrepreneur, Jason Capital, this May 9th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The link to register will be in the description. He's gonna go in depth on how he was able to build his business to the millions using a simple app that you already know how to use. We can only hold 1,000 people in the live stream and we are already filling up. So make sure to join in. The link for that will be in the description below this video. This is a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity, guys, to be interacting live with one of my mentors. So make sure to register and mark your calendar for May 9th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. As always, guys, keep hustling, keep dominating, and I will see you May 9th at 5 p.m.